Hey everyone, what is going on? Today, one of the guys overseas that also has a cloud, I'll leave his Instagram below, he sourced a used set of the Euro Market flares for why I'm going to use the rear. He sent me the whole set, but because of the side skirts, I can't run the front. So I'm going to run the rear ones. So they should fit pretty nicely. I'm not sure how different the Euro Stratus clouds, Stratus cars are. There's only a few little differences that I think I know with them. You can get these guards. There's different options with the headlights. Like there's some manual adjusting, electronic adjusting. They get folding mirrors. There's some little things like that. But overseas, one of the members there, he was nice enough to send me the mud guards. So I'm gonna throw them on because I actually think they look pretty sick when they conform to the bumper nicely. I just got to jack the car up and pop the tire off for each side to get them on because it's only 4 screws, and only the top one goes into the metal. The rest just go into the poly of the car. So should just be able to drill them in with some self tappers. So get started. So to give you an idea, hopefully the light's decent on this. It just kind of comes in like that. Might just have to finagle it in here a little bit because I think there is some slight difference. As you can see, like if I line up down here, it doesn't want to line up with the bumper too right. Yeah, see, I might just have to trim that up here just a smidge to fit and fill this gap nicely. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think we'll be able to get it to work nicely. I'm just gonna get that wheel off first. So, got the wheel off, and just have to take off the little spat down here, and don't know if I'll leave it on or if I'll just move it back just slightly because it'll hit actually a little bit. Let me see if I can show you. If I leave it on there, I gotta push it back some, like it's just way in the way. So I'm gonna have to get that out of the way first, and then get to mounting the fender piece. Alright, so got the rear spat off, and now we should be able to figure out how to line this all up and keep it nice. Better. Yeah, there's definitely got to be a slight difference in the bumpers, but you can make it work. That was the body one. Now I just got to put 2 more in and should be good. So there we have it. First one is on. Just kind of went. I didn't mean to drill that one. I used the holes that they had, except for where I tried to grab the body through there, but it didn't work. But I think that's going to be pretty secure. So yeah, see, there's just a slight difference. My fenders might be rolled a little bit. Just a very small difference in the shape of the rear bumper. That just throws it off just a tad. But let me put the rear spat back on, and then you guys can tell me if you guys like it on there or not later. So let me throw it on real quick. Alright, so this is with the spat on. I mean, look how far it hangs out now. I only put one screw in. I'm not really feeling it anymore with the flares, so I'm going to take it off. But if enough people like it, I might put it back on. I could always chop off down here some to bring it in. But let me know what you guys think. This is with it on, and then I'll take it off and show you again. And there we have no rear spat, just the diffuser in the center, which we'll see. If I don't keep this, I might change that diffuser to something else. But let's put the wheel back on and get a good look at it. So there we are with just the rear mud guard. Again, I don't know why it doesn't fit. I'll see what happens on the other side, but it fits pretty nicely everywhere except right up here. So I don't know if, like, see my fenders are kind of pulled out a little bit, so that might deflect it. But for the most part, it fits pretty good. If anything, I might just have to take a Dremel to like that little lip so that I can bring the lip up a little bit so it'll fold over, or maybe even heat it. But for the most part, it looks pretty good. Pretty nice, and no real spat. So I'm gonna do the other side real quick, and then we'll take a look, see how it looks. It is way too hot and humid to be October. So got both sides on. Let me get some light on here. They look pretty good. Took the spats off this rear, and they fit pretty good. Like I said, there's just this little gap here, so I think I might be able to take a heat gun or trim that just a little bit to fit. Something might be a little bit different about the Euro bumpers. I know they are cut different for the plates in the back, but or molded, I should say. But yeah, that's not terrible. I think I should be able to heat that and get that in there just a little bit better. And sorry about that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Get that all done. Yeah, that kind of bothers me, that little gap. This side's worse than the other because it's messed up a little bit. But now I just have single diffuser, no spat on either side. And we got these nice Euro mud guards. I like these a lot, so I'm definitely going to run these. Not sure what I'll do. Got the spats hanging up with a stockpile of parts and tools. So the only other thing I did was I fixed the hood. As you can see, it's a lot more. This side still needs a little bit of adjustment, but I basically had to modify more slots in the hood latch because it was up way too high, like it was catching air when I was autocrossing. I'll post a picture real quick. But as you can see, that picture was catching air and pulling up. But now it's really down low, and even if you pull on it, it's just a little bit. I don't think it'll. I gotta just mess with it a little bit more, but I think it should be good. So hopefully you guys like this little video, and you like those new spats. Well, not spats. Spats are gone. Hopefully you like the mud guards as much as I do. Huge shout out to Zoltan over in Hungary for finding those for me. I asked him to keep an eye out if he sees any folding mirrors, because I may want them just to be different. They won't save any weights. They're still going to be powered and heated, but I don't know. Folding might just throw it a little bit different than having those. But again, that's pretty much it. let me know, like I said, if you want me to keep the spats or run just like this, more stock looking. And I'll mess with the heat gun on that fitment right there, and that should be pretty good. But overall, I think it fits pretty well, and really happy with it. So hope you guys like this little video. Like and subscribe. Until next time.